Okay, Assalamualaikum semua. Ini kita sambung video untuk lecture in week 11. Week 11 we have only a short subtopic. Okay, so the first one for this week is about second fundamental theorem of calculus. Okay, the second fundamental theorem in calculus is the finite integral of a function that can be computed by using any one of its infinitely many antiderivative or infinitely many integration. Okay, so this part of the theorem has the key practical applications because it markedly simplifies the computation of the finite integral. So this is the theorem that we are talking about. Okay, second fundamental theorem of calculus. In the function, okay, in any function f of x that is continuous in interval I, so the function has antiderivative, or the function can be integrate, okay, on I. In particular, if a is any point in I, then the function f of x defined by this theorem. Okay, or you can simply look at the last line in this theorem, okay, which is here. So here is, we call it as the second fundamental theorem of calculus. Okay, the differentiation of the function f equals the derivative of the integration of the function t, and they are equal to f gx multiplied with g prime x. So based on this formula, each time when you want to differentiate a function, okay, you want to differentiate any function which the function is given, okay, in the form of integral like this. Okay, function yang diberi adalah bentuk macam ni, integrate. Ada integrate kat sini, okay, where the limit is from a to function g. Okay, so kita nak differentiate function ni. Okay, macam ni kita nak differentiate function ni? Function dia ada integration, so we can use this formula f g, okay, multiply with g prime x. Okay, for example, okay, you are given this function. Okay, you can see here the function given is in the form of integral. Okay, ada integration kat sini. Okay. Lower limit is number and upper limit is function. So using second fundamental theorem of calculus, you need to find f prime x. Kita nak cari f prime, maksudnya kita nak differentiatekan function ni. Macam ni nak differentiate function ni? Kita ada integration kat sini, so guna formula ni saja. Okay, so here in this formula we need to find what is our g, okay, function g. Compare ni dengan ni. Okay, so kalau compare, what is our g, function g? Our function g here is x square. Okay, g adalah yang upper limit. Okay, so our g x is x square. Okay, kita refer balik dekat formula ni, kita kena cari g prime kat sini. So g prime. Okay, so our g prime is 2x. Okay, and we need to find what is our function f. Okay, our function f, okay, yang ni ft. Okay, our function ft is right here, 4 minus 3t square. Okay, so just insert into this formula to find f prime x. So our f prime x will be, okay, f gx. Okay, apa maksud dengan yang ni, f gx? Okay, f gx means in the function of f, okay, variable dia t ni awak kena ganti dengan gx. So tengok kat sini variable f kita apa yang ni, 4 minus 3 T square, T kena ganti dengan G. So X square. Okay, 4 minus 3 T square. Okay, and then multiply with G prime X. So here our G prime X is 2X. Okay, simplify, kita akan dapat 4 minus 3 X power of 4 times 2X, and it is equals to 8X minus 6X power of 5. So this is the answer. Okay, so it's just simple. You need to refer the formula and just insert all the items needed in the formula. Okay, next example. Okay, so look at this example. Here you are given the same question like previous. You are given the function in terms of integral. Lower limit is number and upper limit is a function. Okay, so use second fundamental theorem of calculus to find f prime x. So in order to find f prime x, we need to use the previous formula. Okay, so before we use the previous formula, we need to find what is our g. Okay, g is the upper limit, so our g is 1 over x, and then g prime x. Okay, so g prime x is ln x. Okay, and then what is our ft, function f? Okay, this one. Okay, t minus 3. So by answering question A, we need to find f prime x. Okay, the formula is f gx, okay, multiply with g prime x. Okay, ini formula yang tadi dekat page yang tadi. So f gx means in the function f, okay, our variable t, we need to substitute it with g. Okay, so dekat sini kita akan dapat 1 over x minus 3 cert, ada cert. Okay, just substitute t ni dengan function g, then multiply with g prime. So here g prime, our g prime is ln x. Okay, so the answer is, oh sorry, dekat sini salah. Okay, g prime kita bukan ln x. Kalau integrate 1 over x akan jadi ln x. Kalau differentiate 1 over x tak jadi ln x. Salah kat sini. So kat sini equals x negative 1. So nak differentiate dia negative 1x jadi negative 2. So it is equal to negative 1 over x square. Okay, so this is our g prime x. So kat sini negatif 1 per x kuasa 2. Okay, so jawapan dia kita tulis macam ni. Dan negatif ni kita bawa ke depan. Okay, so negatif 1 over x square 1 over x minus 3. So this is the answer for question A. Okay, so kita proceed with question B. Okay, kita disuruh cari f prime 2. Macam mana nak cari f prime 2? Kita dah dapat f prime x. So f prime 2 maksudnya daripada jawapan ni kita just substitute the x equals 2. So negative 1 over 2 square 1 over 2 minus 3. Okay, next example. Okay, so function ni dia bagi. Okay, kali ni dia lain sikit. Integration dia lower limit yang function, upper limit yang number. Okay, so kita nak cari f prime x using the previous formula. So kalau ikut previous formula, function dia mesti dekat atas. Okay, kat atas. So untuk soalan ni kita kena tukar dia dulu. Jadi f x, okay, negatif 1, function kat atas. Okay, jadi macam ni. Okay, kena tukar dulu. Apa-apa pun function mesti jadi upper limit. So kita letak negatif kat sini. Okay, so kita nak cari f prime x using the formula f g x g prime x. So kita kena recognize what is our gx. So our gx is 1 minus 3x. So g prime x equals negative 3. And then what is our ft? Function f, okay, 2 t tambah 2 kuasa 2. Ada negatif negatif, sebab kita dah letak negatif tadi. Okay, so f gx, so maksudnya dalam function f ni, t ni kita ganti dengan function g. So kat sini kita akan dapat 1 tolak 3x, okay, tambah 2 square. Okay, and then g prime x equals negative 3. So kita simplify je jadi 6 per, ini jadi 3 tolak 3x kuasa 2. Okay, so ini jawapan dia. So bila you all jumpa soalan yang melibatkan second fundamental theorem of calculus, okay, tengok betul-betul function dia tu sama ada upper limit dia function ke bukan. Okay, kalau upper limit, kalau function dia dekat lower limit, kita kena tukar dululah. Okay, macam soalan ni. Okay, so next we move on to mean value theorem for integral. Okay, mean value theorem ni kalau you all perasan kat dalam topik differentiation pun ada, okay, dalam chapter 3. Okay, mean value theorem. Itu untuk mean value theorem for differentiation lah. So this time we are going to study about the mean value theorem for integration. Okay, so this is the theorem. Okay, if you want to differentiate any function, okay, lower limit is a and upper limit is b, so it will be fc. Okay, the function of fc maksudnya function f ni variable x gantikan dengan c. Okay, what is c? C is a point between a and b lah. Okay, dalam antara a dengan b, and then b minus a. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, look at this example. By using mean value theorem for integral, find value c. Okay, if this is the function and this is the interval. Okay, interval 0 to means between 2. 0 to interval 0 to means our value of c must be between 0 and 2. Okay, so this is the mean value theorem for integral. Okay, how to apply this formula? So AB ni adalah yang ni lah. This is our A and this is our B. Okay, so insert lah dia punya value semua. Our A is 0 and B is 2. Okay, and then insert the function 3 minus x square and dx. It is equals to FC. Okay, what is FC? Maksudnya function ni kita gantikan dengan C lah, variable dia. So we'll get 3C minus C square and then times with B minus A, which is 2 minus 0. Okay, and then we need to integrate the left part. Okay, 3x integrate jadi 3x square divided by 2. Okay, minus x square integrate jadi x cube divided by 3, and then plus C ni tak tunjuk pun tak apalah sebab kita ada limit 0 hingga 2. Okay, so yang ni tak tunjuk pun tak apa. Okay, 0 hingga 2, and then right part ni kat sini. Okay, 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay, kat sini 2 lah, and then kita darabkanlah kat dalam, akan jadi 6c minus 2c square. Okay, and then sebelah kiri ni tadi kita masukkanlah nilai 2 kat dalam ni. So akan jadi 12 per 2 tolak 8 per 3 tolak, and then masukkan nilai 0 kat dalam ni. So akan jadi 0 minus 0 lah. Okay, equals sebelah kanan. And then kita simplify, and then we need to search the value of C. Okay, dekat sini kita dapat quadratic formula. So just masukkan dalam formula lah, dalam calculator. So dalam calculator ada keluar dua nilai C. So kita tengok which one yang nilai dia antara interval 0 hingga 2. Okay, our value of C must be between 0 and 2. So this one lah yang kita accept sebagai jawapan dia. So kita tulis jawapan akhir adalah C C equals 0.7362. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at another example. Okay, ni find the value of C is if you are given this function and this interval. Okay, meaning that our last answer will be between negative 1 and 2. Okay, so kita guna formula yang ni. Okay, sekejap saya salin balik ke bawah. Okay, so we are going to solve this example. So this is our F and this is our A and B. Okay, so kita masukkan dalam ni A negative 1 until 2, and then the function is 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx equals FC, maksudnya dalam function ni kita masukkan C lah, 3c square plus 2c plus 1, and then B minus A, 2 minus negative 1 means 2 plus 1 lah. Okay, so kita sambung kat sini. Right side kita kena integrate, so 3x kuasa 3 per 3 tambah 2x kuasa 2 per 2 tambah x. Okay, kita masukkan negatif 1 hingga 2. Ini equals, okay, 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3 kita darab dengan sebelah sini akan dapat 9. C kuasa 2 tambah 6C tambah 3. Okay, so right side ni kita masukkan 3, 2 kuasa 3 per 3 tambah 2, 2 kuasa 2 per 2 tambah 2, and then tolak, masukkan negatif 1 pula. Okay, equals yang sebelah kanan. Okay, so you all kira sebelah kiri dapat berapa, and then nanti yang ni semua bawa ke sebelah equals 0 macam ni jadikan dia equals 0, and then cari nilai C berapa. Okay, ambil nilai C yang terletak antara negatif 1 hingga 2. Okay, so yang ni akan dapat macam ni lah jawapan dia. Okay, C kita akan dapat 2 nilai, so kita hanya terima yang nilai ni saja sebab dia terletak antara negatif 1 hingga 2. Okay, next example. Okay, this example, okay, this is the function given an interval. Okay, so kita masuk dalam formula ini formula dia. So this is our A and B. So integration from pi over 4 until pi over 3 for the function of cos 2x dx. Okay, so FC is cos 2c. Okay, B minus A. Okay, and then kita kena integrate cos 2x. So integrate cos 2x akan jadi sin 2x divide by 2. Okay, tak payah tambah C. Terus tulis dia punya limit. Okay, pi over 4 until pi over 3 cos 2c. Ini tolakkan jadi pi over 12 lah. Okay, and then for the left side kita masukkan dia punya limit dia. Okay, sin 2 pi over 3 divided by 2 minus sin pi over 2 divided by 2. Okay, and then yang ni masukkan dalam calculator akan jadi keluar jawapan dia set 3 divided by 2 minus half. Okay, so kita nak selesaikan nilai C. Kita tengok macam mana sambungan dia. Oh, tak ada sambungan dekat sini. Oh, kat sini. Okay, so cos C bawa ke sebelah, so maksudnya yang ni kena bahagi dengan yang ni lah. Okay, and then nak cari cos bawa ke sana, so dalam calculator tekan shift cos. Okay, tekan dalam calculator ada shift, lepas tu baru tekan cos, dia akan jadi arc cos macam ni lah. Okay, so nanti dapat ni jawapan dia bahagi dengan 2 2 bawa ke sana bahagi dengan 2. So dapat nilai, satu nilai sahaja akan keluar dekat dalam kalkulator. So kita pastikan nilai yang dapat ni 0.9148 ni antara 5/4 dengan pi/4 and pi/3. Okay, so that's all for tutorial this week. Kita belajar 2 benda, topik pendek saja, tentang second fundamental theorem of calculus and mean value theorem for integral. Okay, so sampai sini saja dalam untuk lecture video minggu ni. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.